Having a mobile-friendly website is extremely important in today's digital landscape. Here are some key reasons why. Mobile usage statistics 1. Over 50% of global website traffic comes from mobile devices. Source StatCounter 2. Mobile devices account for 70% of total digital media time. Source Comscore. Benefits of a mobile-friendly website. 1. Improved user experience. A mobile-friendly website ensures that visitors can easily navigate and find what they are looking for, regardless of device. 2. Increased conversions. A mobile-friendly website can lead to higher conversion rates, as users are more likely to take action when they have a positive experience. 3. Better search engine rankings. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites in search results, so having a mobile-friendly website can improve your search engine optimization, SEO. 4. Competitive advantage. A mobile-friendly website can be a key differentiator for your business, setting you apart from competitors who haven't optimized for mobile.